up, different gang? It is Dark Beauty 925 coming to you live, and today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow routine video. Old eyebrow routine video that I had was like 18 minutes long, and I finally just ended up putting that on private and then said I'm going to remake my eyebrow routine, especially because I used way different products than I did back then as well. So please stick around and watch the rest of this video so that you can see how to get your brows slayed. So to start off, the three brushes that I use is like this kind of mini blending brush, and I use this to blend my concealer above my eyebrows. And then I also use my Sonia Kashuk, I don't even know how to pronounce it, eyebrow brush. And then the last one that I use it for now, I usually use the e.l.f. angle brush, but I don't know what happened to it, so now I'm just using this e.l.f. concealer brush just because it's a little brush that will be able to apply my eyebrow gel to. And then the last thing that I got is this beauty blender, which of course remember to put water on it. Products that I use is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Hazelnut, and then I also use the e.l.f. eyebrow pomade in the shade Espresso. So what I always do first is I just clean off my face around my eye area just in case of any excess makeup that might be on there, and then we're just gonna get started. So that is all for my eyebrow routine. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Nothing major, just really simple. And also, I do want to say I did have a little trouble doing the actual shading in of the brows because I am so used to using my angle brush and I just don't have that at this time. I gotta go buy a new one like tomorrow or something. But if you're watching this video, give it a big thumbs up and also comment below. If you want to join the different gang, you can click my picture in the top of the circle in the last 20 seconds of this video, and that is a direct way for you to subscribe. Also in the bottom 2 corners of my videos, I'll always have more content for you to enjoy. Dark Beauty 925 signing out this live. Bye.